Hello, welcome to Dimple's an Arabian journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and Thursdays. So before we start with the yummy recipe, please don't forget to subscribe us and do hit onto the bell icon to stay connected. So today's unique out of the box recipe is carrot and beetroot halwa. So let's get started with a popular dish that is carrot and beetroot halwa for this winter weekends. Let us now have a look onto the ingredient list. 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder with or without skin. Pistachio or pista, roughly around 15 to 20 pieces. Shredded carrots, roughly around 400 grams or more. Beetroot, roughly around 250 grams, also shredded. 2 cups of fresh full fat milk. 150 ml of condensed milk, or you could replace it by 2 cups of sugar or according to your taste. And don't miss out the 1/4 cup of pure desi ghee, which really enhances the flavor overall. In a hot pan, please add 1/4 cup of ghee or more. To this, we are adding around 400 grams of shredded carrots. That you keep on mixing them really well, around 5 to 7 minutes. So now to this, we are adding 250 grams of shredded beetroot. The trick is to mix them really good and do not burn the surface. So just keep the flame on a low heat and keep on mixing them for good 5 minutes. So if you could see this visible change, post 5 minutes the color changes completely, and now you can add 2 cups of fresh full fat milk. Combine them really well for 5 to 8 minutes more. Carrot and beetroot both have a very unique pungent raw texture, so you really need to mix them well for good 5 to 8 minutes approx, so that you remove all the pungent raw taste. Simmer and cook it for more 5 minutes or so that it releases its juice. The beetroot and the carrot both releases its juice and softens. So most of the liquid have been evaporated, and you can just add in the condensed milk to the halwa. So at this stage, if you do not want to use the condensed milk, you can also add in 2 cups of sugar or according to your taste, more or less, and just give it a good thorough mix. Post you add in the condensed milk or the sugar, would advise you to just keep the flame onto the lowest so that you avoid burning the surface. Cook it to the point that the liquid has completely evaporated and reduced. And further, you can add in the cardamom powder, around 1 tablespoon. So your carrot and the beetroot halwa is all set and all ready. Serve them hot and enjoy. Carrot halwa or the carrot beetroot halwa is incomplete with pistachio, so just sprinkle it generously. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video today. Do leave us with your valuable comments under the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe us. Do share this video with your friends and family, and stay connected to Dimple's and Arabian journey. Thank you so much. We are active on Facebook and Instagram by the page name Flora and Aroma. Please do follow us.